Okay friends, just open your settings application, then select connections, then you can see here ultra wideband UWB options is here. It means your device using connections to get a location from any other devices like a smartphone, smartwatch, any other digital um, devices. So it is very useful to access a location without internet. So you must turn on this feature, and Samsung default turn on this feature, and it's very useful while whenever you lost your phone and your phone does not have internet. It is uses wideband frequencies to get uh, the location from nearby devices like phones, smartwatch, any other digital um, devices. So that's must you turn on this feature, and I'm just showing here the tutorial how to turn it off. Okay, I recommend that always turn on that feature for getting get help from other phones, like access your location, and also to other people to get their locations whenever they can lost their phones. We are just passed by, their devices get locations from us. So it is a service to society to turn on this feature. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replay sans video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.